Yo guys, how's it going? AK Moto here, PitBike build stock mod TTR 110 part 2 video. Enjoy it. Before the video starts, I just wanted to let you guys know, stay tuned until the end because we will be having a featured app, a little, demo. I like the app personally. I think you guys will too. So yeah, stay till the end and check that out. Yo guys, how's it going? AK Moto here. Today we'll be doing part 2 of our TTR 110 stock mod PitBike build. We have some parts over here for it. We have a Rocky Mountain ATV MC cold start jet kit, which will basically, I'll explain that in a second. We have a GYT, our pod filter, and we also have some other stuff like a Moose extended folding shift lever, and a brake lever. Because as you can see, this brake lever is pretty bent up, and this shift lever over here, it's definitely seen better days as well. Anyway, for the cold start jet kit, which basically riches the bike out, these 110s come super lean from the factory in the card, so we're going to be fixing that with that cold start jet kit over there we have. Also a pod filter to help introduce some more air and better performance. We also have some stuff for the 125 over there. We have a twin air wash cover for the air box. Ignore that. We have a spec bolt kit, Yamaha YZ 2-strokes, as well as an hour meter. So yeah, just kind of some basic stuff. But yeah, let's get on with the video. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and install the easy stuff first. Yeah, I'll probably install the shift lever, the brake lever, and then we'll go on to the carburetor. So yeah, I'm gonna set you guys up on the ladder. I don't have a tripod. And yeah, let's get this time lapse going. It's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through for you, for you, for you, for you, for Finished up with the shift lever and the brake lever. They weren't too hard to install. But yeah, there's the brake lever. It looks pretty trick, not bent. Let's get the stock one here and compare. Yeah. Gonna get a lot more feel with that one. And it just feels a lot smoother. This one's actually a whole lot lighter, believe it or not. When I held that one beside the stock one, it was a whole lot lighter, which I thought was pretty cool. And we got the extended shift lever on. Looks pretty good. And the folding tip right there. So yeah, it works pretty smooth. Bolt right up. And yeah, if I could find the parts, I will link them in the description below, along with the playlist and the app I will be mentioning later in the video. But yeah, now we're just gonna take off the oh my gosh, radiator shrouds. This thing doesn't have any radiators, so it's kind of funny to call it. But radiator shrouds, and we'll get to installing this pod filter right here. Along with, where is it? Right here. The Rocky Mountain ATV cold start jet fix, which is just a bigger jets, main jet, pilot jet. Yeah, let's get on with that. Oh yeah, and something I wanted to show you guys. Oh, two things. One, I don't have to buy a new perch because the stock one already comes black. So it's like black on black, all one piece. Well, some of them actually come silver, like here on my 125, see, it's all silver. But on this little bike, it's, yeah. So that already all matches and blends in. Well, we gotta tighten down that. Alright guys, that's pretty much going to be it for today. Just to recap, got that GYTR pod filter. I think that thing looks pretty sick. You know, it matches with the rest of the blue. Sorry for the bad lighting. Also got this extended shift lever that folds. Because I can show you here, I'm going to show you guys now. Here is the old shift lever. See, it's pretty worn out, right? There's where it used to sit. So I'd say 1 inch longer than the stock. And then we also have this aftermarket brake lever, which the stock one's really bent, as you can see. So with this new one, it feels like I have a lot more grab on the brakes. And then we took this whole airbox unit off. So I'd say this saved quite a bit of weight. This used to be right there. And then the old filter. So yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Oh, we also did the new jets. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and start this thing up and you guys can hear it run. Warms up pretty fast. I'll leave the link in the description where I got all the parts, the brake lever, shift lever if I can find them, as well as the pod filter and the cold start jet kit. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. It warmed up real well. Wasn't bogging for like 5 minutes, so that's awesome. And yeah, just throttle sound felt a whole lot snappier. That pod filter on, easier to get air, you know. Doesn't feel like it's getting suffocated. Felt pretty loose like those 2-strokes over there do. So yeah, it was pretty cool. Now we're gonna be getting into our featured app, I guess, and that is Off-Road Anything Amino featured app. The featured app is Off-Road Anything Amino. In the Amino app, link in the description. All you gotta do is get the Amino app and you can join it right away. It's where you could feature anything. Pit bikes, dirt bikes, mountain bikes, heck, maybe even your lawnmower. Anything off-road. Basically, you could go chat with friends, and let's just say, in my case, this helps me a lot. Let's just say I needed help with putting together my throttle assembly. Well, I could just go on there in one of the chats, and someone from the mechanics assistance group can help you out. So yeah, I mean, it's a huge lifesaver. It's a whole lot of fun. You can talk to your friends and buddies how you like their dirt bikes, how they like your dirt bikes, what you think they should change, what they think you should change, pretty much anything. It's just an off-road community for pretty much anything off-road. So yeah, check that out. Google Play, App Store, AMINO app. Again, links in the description. First link in the description. Yeah. That's all for today, guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Again, check out Off-Road Anything AMINO. See you guys in the next one. Next video. Link in the description. We'll be installing an hour meter on this bad boy. Peace.